So this is my circle jig that I made for my table saw. It's very simple. Just rough cut any wood on the bandsaw, and then you can clean it up on the table saw, and I'll show you how it works. So the other thing I was trying to do is make some dials with the table saw, and that's what this thing is for. Here are the other circles that I've made. You can make large circles with it and different size. And I was trying to make some dials. So these are the dials that I made, as well as those. And while I was at it, I thought I'd try to make some gears. So making gears on a table saw. This did not work out that well, but I can refine it and make it so it works. I'll show you how I do some cuts on the table saw. Now I'm just going to drill a hole in the center of the circle. And now I'll just rough cut it on the bandsaw. That looks good enough. And now I'll just turn it on this pin. It'll keep turning, it's just a slight friction fit. Now I can adjust the blade. So here you have a pretty good looking circle. I'll now carry on and show you what I do with this one. Okay, so I'm quite happy with my circle jig. It can cut different size circles, and also it's got a few other features. This piece can move sideways, back and forth. I have some lock bolts here, and this bolt can be adjusted for bigger circles. And this lever can also be moved back and forth. So it fits well in the slots, and it works quite well. I'm happy with it. So my next thing is to do some gears, some wooden gears on here. So thanks for watching.